Mr. Painter, you're recognized.
Good morning, Chairman Nels, Ranking Member Carson, and members of the committee. Thank you for this opportunity to testify about the state of advanced air mobility and the industry and how the United States can continue to lead this emerging global market. My name is Tyler Painter, CFO of Wisk Aero, an American AAM company committed to making safe, everyday flight available for everybody. Just like the U.S. led previous advancements in aviation, I'm confident that today's investments from industry and the focus in AAM are laying the foundation for the U.S. to lead this technology revolution in mobility. Thanks to the recent efforts of this committee and the regulatory efforts of the FAA and the DOT, the foundational state of the U.S. AAM industry is strong. However, for the U.S. to lead AAM and aviation globally, we must also prioritize the development of a regulatory framework to enable autonomy. The US AAM national strategy, implemented through the new Electric Vertical Takeoff and Landing and AAM Integration Pilot Program, the EIPP, will be a key vehicle to inform that framework. Wisk, a Boeing subsidiary, aims to be the first to design and manufacture an FAA-certified autonomous passenger-carrying air taxi. Safety is at the core of everything that we do. Our learnings over the last 15 years and 6 generations of aircraft will culminate in the safe integration of our Gen 6 aircraft into the National Airspace System. Autonomy is not a new or radical advancement in aviation, but rather an evolution of what already exists today. Increasing levels of autonomy have and will continue to improve safety. Most functions on commercial aircraft involve automation today. And while Wisk aircraft do not have a pilot on board, human oversight remains critical. Remote crew members will supervise and communicate with air traffic control. Our aircraft will initially fly on predetermined routes and predetermined destinations. This approach will ensure predictability and safe integration of our aircraft into today's airspace. We're excited to launch our service in the U.S., bringing time savings to commuters and new workforce opportunities to local communities. Last year, we announced a partnership with the city of Sugar Land, Texas, to identify and assess locations for vertiports and potential training and maintenance facilities at Sugar Land Regional Airport, which will serve as a gateway for establishment of a larger Wisk network throughout the greater Houston area. The AAM industry is fortunate to have a forward-leaning FAA administrator who prioritizes safety and innovation. Administrator Bedford and DOT Secretary Duffy's willingness to work with industry and chart regulatory pathways for new technologies is crucial. Our partnerships with those like Houston are strengthened by this administration's focus on AAM and the creation of the EIPP. Wisk looks forward to participating in this program. Wisk also commends this committee and the administration's focus on modernizing the National Airspace System. By building the brand new air traffic control system, as Chairman Nels has stated, this effort is about more than modernizing ATC, but about modernizing the entire NAS for the existing and future operations. Fortunately, there is existing technology that can both enhance the safety of today's airspace and future-proof it for autonomous operations. Wisk and our affiliate SkyGrid are architecting modern airspace management tools to reduce the burden on air traffic control and safely integrate increasingly autonomous aircraft into the NAS. This includes moving our systems into the digital era, embracing open architectures and digital communications, and implementing a new set of innovative flight rules to take full advantage of today's technology. I'd like to thank this committee for its bipartisan work on the 2024 FAA Reauthorization Act. A key provision was the creation of the Center of Advanced Aviation Technology, the CAT, in Texas. Wisk looks forward to unlocking key autonomy elements through our work with CAT and with the EIPP. In conclusion, I'm confident the U.S. will remain the global leader in aviation, just as we have over the first century of aviation, and that we will define and lead the global AAM industry. To achieve this, we must remain focused and create and exercise a robust and practical regulatory framework that also enables autonomy. Wisk looks forward to continuing to work with you to make safe, everyday flight a reality for everyone. Thank you, and I look forward to your questions.